construction project, because they're...
That makes you more open to an accident.
It's like, I don't know if they're storing stuff there for it or not. Could very well be. They've got all kinds of pieces out for it. When was the last time you saw the project up here?
A while.
This pile here is mostly just where they're storing the dirt. It says they need it, then they move it. They clearly aren't planning on us driving over that to get to the bridge. Here's, you can see how all the different pillars are going up.
Watch the road.
Here so that they have the left side completely free. You can see how they're still redoing the slope over here. Just to add to the... So they're closing the ramp on the 1st, but on the 2nd, for a whole week is free dump day, which means everybody's all going to be piled up, waiting to get over there, while everyone's driving across the bridge to get onto the Glen Highway.